Hey there, everybody. This is Troy from Make Sales Faster, and I'm here to do a review today for Affiliate Takeoff. And this is by a lady named Cynthia Benitez, and she makes the claim that she was able to set her grandmother up for this program, and she was able to succeed with it. So whether that's true or not, you'll need to be the judge of that. But I do want you to know a little bit about the product, how it works, and if it's something that you're interested in, definitely grab it from my link, which is going to be down in the description of YouTube. And I've got some really great bonuses. Let's look at the product first briefly, look at the bonuses, because those alone, I know about the bonuses, and they're worth the $12.95 at the front end of this product that you can buy. So I know it's worth investing. And like everything, there's always a 30-day money-back guarantee. So whatever you decide to do, you're going to be safe and smart to check it out fully and then make your decision. So let's look at Affiliate Takeoff. And as she says, my 69-year-old non-techie mom makes first ever commissions in under 24 hours. So that's pretty exciting. And I know from affiliate marketing, that's definitely doable. If you follow the right process, you can make this happen. So the goal here is to unlock daily commissions and buyer leads from unlimited traffic on tap. Essentially what this program is, it teaches affiliate marketing. Now there's lots and lots of programs on affiliate marketing. They're all, in my estimation, they've all got the basics, and that's what you're looking for. You're looking for the basics. And for $12.95, if you like what you hear in this video, then you may want to go ahead and buy it. So how do you do it? Well, you're going to click the description. In the description, there's a link to this page. And once you get to this page, you'll see these yellow buttons, and you'll be able to buy it. Now, let me just explain what my bonuses are before we go into details about Cynthia's product. Affiliate Takeoff. I like that. Has an image of a plane taking off, and you can apparently start this pretty easy. Well, here's a bonus. It's called the Facebook Live Handbook. Now, Cynthia doesn't cover this in her course, so I thought this would be good extra value for you. If you want to do Facebook Lives, it's a really great way when you got a certain amount of traffic to profile a product. You have credibility when you do a Facebook Live. And so this is the handbook and step-by-step on how to do that. Valued at $427.95. That alone is going to come free when you buy Affiliate Takeoff. Second bonus, how to use Instagram marketing. Now, I find Instagram is a tremendous source of leads and business and sales quickly. You got to do it right, though. And so this shows you step-by-step how to hack Instagram to make leads and bonuses, all for free, which is kind of cool. Now, there are some paid options too, but you can get started with just some free ones. Lindgren's Lazy Method. This is a way of doing affiliate marketing using free sources. It's a set and forget type of situation, and so definitely check out that. And Free Traffic Frenzy from Reddit. Reddit's one of those sites that has a lot of interested people in certain specific topics. And if you can get on the right topic in Reddit with the right message, well, this shows you how to do that. And these are loyal people. They're diehards. And if they like what you're offering, they like you, you're likely to get some customers and leads from there. Great source of traffic. And right on. And so that's what we wanted to cover today in our bonuses. By the way, bonus 5 is actually the vendors bonuses. So let's take a look at this. So we've got Affiliate Takeoff. What's it all about? Well, it's a brand new push button solution. So because it was her grandmother, 69 years old, no techie skills, what this proposes to do is if you're a newbie and you've not done affiliate marketing or you've dabbled in it, found it too complicated to get your head around, this system is really for you. So for $12.95, you can get this system. It's beginner proof. It's always recession proof. Nice thing about selling products online, depending on the product, can be recession proof. And there's such a broad amount of products you have access to as an affiliate marketer. Stubborn old mom proof. So you're going to want to check that out. you're going to use the same shortcuts that Cynthia uses in her business, right? How to use other people's products. You don't have to go making your own products. You borrow what other people, they want you to sell their products for them. They're encouraging you to. She shows you how to do that. Then how to get other people to sell for you, right? How do you find people who want to sell your product, who've got lists, who've got ready buyers? That's important, right? If you want to make some money online. How to build a list. They say that the money's in the list. This is over and over said. And if you have a good, hungry buying list, you can make some great money. Plug and play traffic on demand. So just set up the traffic source, whatever it might be. And there's lots and lots of them out there. Find the right traffic source, come to see your offer, get engaged with your offer, and then a percentage of them are going to buy, right? If it's you got great ad copy, if you've got a great offer, a number of things are in play, everything's set up right, you'll get some buyers. Just how it works, right? Get with world-class affiliate programs like things like ClickBank and others like that are quite good, and ways to automate everything. So you want to know ways to automate. You don't want to be busy working on your business all day long every day, right? So here are all the prices. We've talked about the $12.95. This is the basic program. You get everything. You learn how to do it. Videos, really complete system. Now, upgrade 1, there's more advanced strategies. So she's selling you some advanced strategies aren't included in the main program. You'll be fine without them, but the advanced strategies typically save you time, save you money. So your investment of $47 or $27, you can probably avoid the first upsell, and this one will get offered to you. So go for the $27. Upgrade 2, affiliate Takeoff done for you. So they'll do the whole campaign for you. You don't have to worry about setting up your affiliate links and setting up the pages and all the things that are required. They'll do it for you. Again, $97 for the upsell, $67 if you decline it. Steal our traffic. So what they do here for $197 is they will take your pixel. Now, your pixel is what records your sales, right? It's like there's a Facebook pixel, there's a Google Ads pixel, there's a pixel for all the traffic sources. They'll take your pixel, and that could be also your affiliate product, put it on Cynthia's pages from 2020, and you know people have already bought, right? So if somebody buys, the odds of them buying again are very high. They're hungry buyers, right? This is the best list you can get. And so this is a good way to guarantee yourself some traffic. For that price, if you could just make, 5 or 10 sales, you'd probably have this paid for, maybe less, right? Depending on your product price. So if you're looking to get some traffic, this is a good route to go. It's never guaranteed, but it would certainly raise your odds of getting sales, especially in the beginning. You want to get some sales in the beginning. And then upgrade 4 is triple license rights. So basically, you're not only going to get this product we've been talking about, you're able to sell it yourself and get all the commissions, right? So let's say you had one buyer who bought, let's say, the first 2 levels. Well, you'd have your money back, right? If you had a buyer that bought the first 3 levels or 4 levels, well, you'd have doubled your money, right, at these prices. So consider it if you do want to make affiliate marketing a business. If you would like to get to people who don't know about affiliate marketing, this could be a really good option for you. Right? You could hook them at $12.95, and then as they get into it, you could say, you know what, I got something else for you that could get you traffic, or I got something that we'll set it up for you for $97. Well, that's a price a lot of people would be willing to pay. If you have the access rights here, that's a great business, right? So consider that, depending on who you want to focus on for your list. You also get 2 other courses. So it's not only this course, you get Passive Empire and Zero Buster. So that's 3 products that you're able to pretty tremendous value, and you get all of my bonuses included. So you're going to want to get those. It's a good value. You really can't go wrong, and there's 100% money back guarantee. If you get into this and you look through and you go, this isn't what I expected, and you get to keep all my bonuses. So there you go. That's my review. I think it's worth going ahead with. It's risk-free. You put a bit of money out front. If you don't like it, you get the money back. But really, you should be focusing on how do I build this to make this a great business. This is a good fundamental program. For the price point, you really can't go wrong. So enjoy. Good luck.